Hello everyone! I am proud to be able to tell you about a free and safe bot for the Farmers World game, created by our team, the SmartBot team. This script is so simple and intuitive that everyone can handle it. A link to the bot is in the video description. Click on that link and read the instructions. Following the instructions, copy the provided code to the clipboard, go to the game and log in. Open the Developer Console. Command-Option-J for Mac OS, Control-Shift-J for Windows and Linux. You can also access the console via the development tools via the Chrome menu. In the Appeared console, paste the code from the clipboard and press Enter. Congratulations! The bot is in action. It checks thoroughly all your assets one by one and performs the actions required. Pay attention! For the bot to operate correctly, you need to tick the Automatic Transaction Confirmation box in the WAX confirmation window. If, while the bot is running, a WAX confirmation window appears and does not disappear, then tick the box in this window and click the Confirmation button. This is a one-time only action. Now, let's talk about what the bot is currently capable of. The bot can work with all types of maps and with all types of NFTs. The script clicks Collect or Mine automatically, depending on the map and the tool. It can also replenish the energy reserves automatically. If the energy goes below 300 and the food is over 20, the bot performs automatic exchange. Moreover, it fixes tools automatically as well, if the tool robustness is less than half, and there is sufficient gold, then it will fix the tool. Finally, pick up a couple of recommendations for working with the bot. Do not switch or collapse the bot tab. Due to the particularities of modern browsers, Chrome in particular, the work of scripts in the background tabs is forcibly automated. This can disrupt the script. You can continue your operations with the computer and browser while the script is running. All you need to do is move the bot tab to a separate window. Having done so, you can continue with the rest of your business. This bot has several disadvantages too. At the least, your computer should operate in round-the-clock mode, and a stable internet connection is needed all the time. Talking of multiple accounts, you will still need to use different browsers or different profiles of the same browser, and set up a proxy, of course. We have already solved all of these problems for you in the cloud fee-based version of the script. You just need to go to the smartbot.black website. The link is in the video description. Register, add an account, pay for access, and we will do ourselves the automation of all the activities in your account. You won't have to keep your computer on all the time no matter what, and worry about a stable internet connection. When using multiple accounts, you won't have to worry about setting them up or finding a proxy for your accounts. That's it. Thank you all for your attention.